what is happening right now? I mean, since Donald Trump has actually, deducted the entire tariff from 50% to 18%, but there is the controversy. Why is Donald Trump actually doing it? Is it like the fear which he is having right now because of European Union and India having the entire deal, or something else? Well, I'll tell you what. Donald Trump is not only scared of the fact that Europeans are now choosing the side of Asians, but he's also scared of the fact that dollar supremacy is going down. Yes, and that is why Donald Trump has pushed India to not buy Russian oil. One among reason that is there is because that if Russia and India are doing the entire trade, they're doing in ruble and rupees, their local currency. But if they are going to buy Venezuela oil, which Donald Trump has asked PM Narendra Modi to do so, they're going to do the entire trade deal in dollar. If these countries, Asian countries, will be starting doing their entire deal in their own local currency, it will become a big problem for Donald Trump. And that is why Donald Trump is so much emphasizing on the fact, because it makes no reason. You see, crude oil, in terms of crude oil, China buys much more of a crude oil than we do. European Union and their entire country still buy oil and gases from Russia. Now, the pseudo Donald Trump and the entire America actually buys rare earth critical mineral from Russia and some uranium things which can be used in nuclear testing. So basically, how are we at the fall when the all of these big uh, so basically how are